The Big Bash. It's big, it's bold,
Yes, for a maximum.
it's brilliant. For 14 seasons, it's been the soundtrack of summer.
George Bailey's pumped up. 15,000 people in purple are extremely excited.
I grew up loving this competition. Sitting on the hill at Bellerive, it's always been the Hurricanes for me. Ricky Ponting, Xavier Doherty, James Faulkner, and George Bailey were some of my favourites to don the purple. Then all of a sudden, I was out there, walking out to bat for the Canes.
He recommitted to the Hurricanes. He had interest from other teams, but was so grateful at the opportunity he'd been given to open the batting this season for the Canes.
As a Hurricanes fan growing up, used to come here and watch his heroes. Now he's within one strike of making a record-breaking century.
Can he get two? Is that a century of a lifetime?
What a 100. Owen, a brilliant 100 of just 39 balls on the biggest occasion.
Take a bow, young man. Everyone should be on their feet. One of the great moments in BBL history. 14 long years, and the Hobart Hurricanes finally get a chance to hold that trophy aloft.
Now it's time for BBL 15, and for us, it's unfamiliar territory. But this season, the competition is fierce, and it's headlined by the pride of Pakistan. Baba Azam, Shaheen Afridi, and Mohammad Rizwan are all in action this summer, as a new BBL trophy is up for grabs. Get yourself some tickets and join in the fun. It's time for the sound of summer. It's time for the Big Bash.